If you love cheese, stop right here, because these 5 classic German raclette recipes are dangerously delicious. From classic to meaty to veggie and to the next level comfort food. Let's melt. First things first, for all the recipes you're gonna need raclette cheese and some potatoes. And the first one that I will be talking about is the classic. It's simple, traditional, and in the end unbeatable. To make this recipe, you're gonna need sliced warm potatoes with some pickles on the side. We're gonna melt the cheese slowly until silky and just starting to bubble. Off to a good start. This is already a perfect raclette bite. For our veggie lovers, this one is seriously underrated. I've got here mushrooms, peppers and onions and also some herb butter. I'm gonna grill them lightly and then cover with raclette. I love putting some garlic salt on my vegetables. If this doesn't look like a feast. And now I'm gonna make a hot dog raclette with some frankfurters and fried onions. And pickles, of course. Who would think that the frankfurter, pickles and cheese and some fried onions will look like a gourmet plate? I mean, just look at it! And now I have a pizza pan. I have some mushroom, tomatoes and hams. But you can also switch ham for salami and mushrooms for any other favorite vegetable. If you like, you can also add some sweet corn. It would work perfectly. This is basically molten pizza happiness. And now we are going full steakhouse. Here I've got a herb butter and the ribeye steak cut into thin slices. It looks and tastes extremely fancy. If you would like to recreate raclette at home, here's the video for you to watch, and I better dig. Have a nice one.